week, I contribute how to download the data and send the popular, famous data set site. And you already register in some site, and you already testing and practice in the downloading the data. Now we can suppose that you already have the data. So for that data, firstly, actually it should be the first in CDO, but according to my schedule problem, I am not available in next week. That's why I substitute actually this with the CDO week, but I take it for the GrADS. But it is also okay because I just explain the very basis of the GrADS. So that you can be used your downloaded data set also after this class. Firstly, the definition of the GrADS. What is a GrADS? Since before last 2 decades, that's 2 decades, only the Fortran and the NUIST are popularity in our atmosphere science and climate science field by coding, to calculate and to manipulate the data set to produce the model. Only the 2 languages are popular, Fortran and the NUIST base. So at the time, these GrADS developers are trying to make in the 1 language to display those data sets. So GrADS is O1, but it stay Go. We can say O, but it stay Go because it is very easy for the user friendly and not too much coding line like Python or other language. So just for basis analysis, you can be used the GrADS. From this basic concept of the data set structure, interpreting and the displaying basis method. If you didn't know that these GrADS basis function, you cannot go on the Python because the Python is more complicated to understand each line. If you have basis in the GrADS, you can be easily understand those Python code. Python is very advanced. So today I would like to contribute the basis knowledge regarding this grid analyzer display system. Otherwise, we can say GrADS. Why the open GrADS? Because we know the GrADS is an open source application. There is no paid version. Everyone can download and everyone can use freely. That's what we call open GrADS. Maybe you all already download the raw file I share in the group. In that raw file, I already put in the GrADS installation file also. So today lecture, it will be covered by what is a GrADS and how do I get it. GrADS essential stat data sets and displaying data, script language, and saving your plots. This is a little bit advanced, so we will move on this in the next after CDO. Today this week we will cover only the getting stat and the grid data set, analyzing and basis displaying your data. So before my lecture, so I will start in how to install. So I also install my GrADS in machine, so you can follow it with me. So please go to your downloaded file location. Okay, me is I put in this file in here. Okay, this one. Just open. Okay. Okay. So language is English. This is like a normal application install. But in this step, this is a very important step. If you are installing in this directory, that you cannot call the command line in the administrative account, because it will be only in C, you see. You cannot access the data directly. It will be get the problem in when you are writing the coding. That's why we have to change, because this is a difference between Windows XP and GrADS is an old version. It intended for the Windows XP or Windows maybe 8 or something. Well, now we are Windows 11. That's why we have to change the Windows 11 environment. So please go to the program file 86. Because the GrADS is a base is a 32-bit and 64-bit. In here, I would like to just small knowledge sharing. What is a 32-bit and the 32-bit and 64-bit? What we always confusing these two when we are installing Windows or something nowadays. It is based on your CPU in the computer, the hardware. If your hardware support, nowadays most of the CPU are support to 64-bit. That's why no problem or too much. But before this, there is a machine are different, 64-bit machine and 32-bit machine. The only different. Nowadays it's okay. But in Windows structure, it also, this program file and this program file 86 are same. But the difference is this program file is for 64-bit application, and this program file 86 is for 32-bit application. When you are installing 32-bit application, you should get directory in here. So now GrADS is at 32-bit base. That's why we have to choose this one. Okay. Follow. So we will move on. And in here also, we have to take in here. If we didn't take in here, it cannot access to the dry C directly. Okay. Then just install. Then next, and don't open yet. Don't open yet because we have to open by right-click administrative account like this. Yes. D. You want to install in D. But it can be confused when you only have the one directory on. D and C are no problem. You should go to your Windows directory. Windows directory only. Okay. So after installation, we will go in here. In here. This is our GrADS. Okay. These are also by the GrADS, but it is to downloading and CEP website. It is a little bit advanced form. So in here, this open GrADS, just right click and open as administrator. Run as administrator. Okay. If you didn't run as administrator, you cannot access the simple data set in your script. Okay. Then it should be you must allow. This is the display in the system based on Linux. Okay. Now follow. Okay, I will take time for installation. Bigger. Oh, you can't. No problem.
Asking for this access. Do I get the access?
Yes, access. Yes. Access. ရှိမရှိတော့မသိဘူးရောစမ်းကြည့်လိုက်ရတယ် run လို့ရမှာ Okay. Now just enter. It will be pulled at another display. This is in GrADS there is a two window. One is your script window and the one is a display window. This is called display window and this is your script window. When you are hit the enter, it will be appear. Okay. Everyone okay? They do this. So now I just testing it is working or not. Okay, it's working. Oh, okay, I will. Okay. Yes. No problem. Default. This is your command open model.cds. It is I access to the built-in dataset. When you are installing it is already simple dataset in the GrADS directory file. Now I'm trying to access this dataset. Okay. Did you open by administrative account or not?
Yes, it's administrator. Open model CD1 and manage description file model list. Open it.
Okay, let me check here. You didn't open my administrator. So everyone reached it? Oh, what's the problem? If you didn't open administrated, you cannot access the data set. So close, then reopen by right click, close everything, then right click, then run as administrator.
This one. Yes. Ask the
Yes.
Is it that one you can check every single systems?
Yes. Open.
This one?
Yes. There is a GrADS. Add this one. No. Add this one.
This is
2.2, yes.
right click.
And speed MODES.CT. Okay. Okay. Now let me check where you are installed.
You can minimize this. It's in C.
Yes. And oh, here you are installing here. That's why you have to install this one. So maybe reinstall install first.
Okay.
Then put in the one you are selecting the right.
I received it from the other one because I am not in the platform. I am platform.
Okay.
Maybe it's this one.
Yes.
I open it.
Open it. Okay. This one. You still don't have the raw one. So you have to install the Windows raw first.
Window.
Raw. Windows zip or something.
Window.
Zip or raw. You don't have to open.
I don't have.
You don't have to open the disk. So you have to install first Windows raw. Là okay.
Window. Window. Okay. It's a fast. It's fast. It's a fast now.
Okay, now you go back.
My documents.
This one, right? Now it appear. So now
Oh, cool.
and you have to run this one.
Listen, sir. It says that some elements cannot be removed, so I have to.
Okay. No problem.
Oh, I have so many files that were saved.
Yeah, no problem. So in here, you already installed, right?
Yeah. But it says some are not
Yes.
removed.
Try to the word open. Space model dot.
Now in this step, you are wrong. So you have to go and select this one. Click on here. Okay. Now it's changing. Then again, add. You have to take this one also.
I think there are procedures that
Okay, it's almost finished. Okay, now finish. Now in here. Okay, your now right click and run as administrator. Okay, it will ask allow asset. It will be display system for that. When you enter display system will be okay. Now yes, open not
can you check for him as well?
okay now. It's okay. Just it is working or not. Open model.cda. No. You just open now. You have to type now. Now this same command. Open model.cda. Now you okay? Now what?
Yes.
Model.cda. Enter. Okay, now you are. Okay.
You want to find it?
Okay. So in here.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, you no need to install in Ubuntu.
No, wait, this one, this one.
Oh. Okay.
I have run this one.
Yes.
It's break.
This one is here.
But it didn't display like here.
Oh. So let me check. There you are right or wrong like this. Run as administrator. Okay. Then enter. Okay, it is okay. And okay.
You want to download it?
You want to try and download?
Yes.
No, it is a lot of version. You can be confused. That's why I give directly in the folder.
I already downloaded it. That you sent me is a link.
No, not the link. The book is just to read something. No need to follow the book. The book is another step. So now I give in the zip file, raw file in the WeChat group. You can download this one. Yeah. Then inside this, I already give the application. No need to download. Okay. So after this, we were pausing here, this step. Now we suppose that most of you already got this step. So we will continue the literature side. Okay. Okay, this is the GrAD. It's not working. Okay, this is the GrAD analysis and display system, the long form of the GrAD. I already explained here. Their development center is a Center of Ocean Land Atmosphere Study, COLA, in US. And the NCEP, they create the new data set NCEP, reanalyze it. These society institution are developed this. What is the purpose for this graph? The purpose is to displaying and manipulating our science data. Which kind of data format are working on this platform? Binary, grid data, NetCDF, and HCF are working on this platform. And also you can use the science station data and the grid data also. But these are the very advantages. You have to make the connection to those NCEP server or something like this, okay? And it can be plot the line, bar graph, and scatter plot, string line, and the wind vector also. And it is, I already explained, it is together the developed with the Fortran. That is, at that time they used a similar structure of the Fortran also. These are the just outline for my study. So, firstly, to set the common specifics, this GA is just you're showing your command line. Okay. If you didn't see this GA in your script window, it means that it is not working properly. This GA it means that it is your command line. This 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, like this. Okay. In the GrAD, it is very easy. Set command is setting everything. If you want to set in something, it should be set with the set, SCD set. Example, if you want to set in the time, set T is a time step 1. It will be selected your time step 1 of your data set, set T1. And where, if you want to the selecting or the slicing the area, set latitude this and this, between this and it will be this and this. Set latitude. If you want to long, it's a set long this and this, your value. Okay? Well, and how to display? How to display? Set GX out. This is the default command. And graphics out, GX out by line. It will be show line plot. Okay? So the set command is for setting everything. Okay. Firstly, In here, this stuff is I will skip it because I already covered in the previous lecture. Dimension, regarding the dimension structure of the data set, okay? So you already know those my previous lecture. So, but in here, you already know the data set format. Non-graded data are AZ test factor. We suppose that the station data is a non-graded data. What is a graded data? Graded data is .grd, .dat, .grid. This is an NC NetCDF file and the HDF satellite image file, image and TIFF. Some satellite the output they only support the TIFF file. So you can also manipulating the TIFF file also. These are the file. And these dimension I already explained in previous lecture, so I will run through on it. So previous kind or the most of the data set can be the manipulated and displayed in the GrADS system here, especially for grid and NetCDF. Nowadays, the NetCDF is a very popular file format for our atmospheric science data. Most of the data sets are support this NetCDF file. In our tutorial that we will use that NetCDF file for our practical session. Okay. How do I get the grade? If you are not directly access like me, you can go and then you can download the latest version of the grade here. So actually it is a long time ago, it is a linear space. But now the global creation for Windows based also. That's why we can access now in Windows platform. Okay. When you are opening this model.cta, okay, then I will show you how to display these a lot of to CTA IMFO. This is a query control file. Control file is this model control information. You want to know that data set information in detail. In detail. Hey. Sorry, this is no space in the CTA info. Okay. Choose CTA INFO. Just type choose CTA INFO. When you are entering this, every data set information are displayed in detail. Okay. So, as I mentioned in here, what is the data set? The control file is using to access the grid data set. Now we are using this model.grid file. Okay. I will explain what is a control file later. It is a little bit advanced, that's why I will explain it. But currently, the control file, first point is we open model.cta, right? This CTA file is we call control file. We access there is a very few lines to access the data set. Okay, so in here you just need to know that our original file is this file, model.grid file. Okay. When we are accessing the information, that it will be displayed like this. In first part is file information. File information. What is the file name and data set is a model.refine. Okay. And the title is if it is come from the ECNWF, and in title mostly data set are mentioned their production the center length, ECNWF and CEP, something like that. And this is and define the ignore value. It is just in data set, these values are ignored like this. This is not too much important, okay? And here, this is important. This is showing your data type, subtype. If you are opening NetCDF, in here it will be shown NetCDF file. If you didn't know your data set just open by control, it can be known that what is the type of your data set. And also, this is an index. Okay? This is the index. And here, it is mentioning that what is the type of graded math and grade to math, blah, 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 like this. It is a detailed explanation about the format. Okay, this is a file information section. So, next, dimension section. In your data set, this is a dimension. There is a 72 grid, and Y dimension is a 46 grid, and Z in level is a 7 layer level. It matching 1000 HPA, 850 HPA, 700, so and so. And here also time dimension. How many time steps? We will have five time steps. And it will be step on 0 Zulu, 2nd January 1987. Its interval is 1 day, 1 day interval. Okay, this is the 5 dimension information. Next part is explaining your variable. What is your variable? In here, there is a variable. PS means the surface pressure. Its unit is HPA. And U is we already know, wing, zonal, and meridional. And here, geopotential height. That is T is air temperature. And here you see, this T and T can be confused. But it's okay. The graph is automatically understanding according to the data structure. Okay, this is air temperature. Now Kelvin. Okay, if you want to get the degree Celsius, you have to you can manipulate it by yourself in the graph also. Okay, Q is a specific humidity. Unit is a kilogram per kilogram. So and so. Then it is AMVA. Variable X AMVA means that it is N. You are all variable information are N. This is the meaning. Okay. So in here the things in here you already know there is a very easy to understand it. 1 to 2 command. No need to write in too much, right? So that's why the GrADS is a user friendly and it is easy to write in and control the data set. Okay, this part is we already finished, so I will put in this part. Now we are in here, right? So there is a command, the for command that you can remind. And open is a CDO. STL open is there is no control file for the data set. You want to open directly your own data set. Okay. STF open. Now I will explain what is STF open. Now, this is currently we are open. I want to close. I want to close. So in here, reinitialize. Reinit. It is closing that file because you want to open another file. Okay. I went down. Okay. REINIT. Okay, enter. It will be reached to start very start bar. Currently, you are not loading any data. Okay, it is a very fast. Okay, SDF open. This command is used to directly open your data set, directly open your data NetCDF file or something. Now I already gave you the SSI file, right? SSI.nc. In here, in the folder I share, SSI right? In here, you have to move that data set in the directory D or E or I mean that not in the window directory. I will explain why we cannot put in this data set in your window directory. Normally I will explain here. It's more clear. Let me go to the directory C. Okay. You see, in here, for me, that I understand that error. That's why since I create my account in my machine, I didn't use the space. Space means your name space and like this. So I never use a space because if there is in your machine name, there is a space between your name. It cannot work in this programming language. Programming language cannot, all programming language, not only this, Python, others, all programming cannot understand the space. That's why it can be give the error when you are opening. That's why we are putting your data in the directory D or the E or only data directory. So suppose this, my name is currently, but maybe your name is something space like this, okay? So that's why I put in my data in the D. In here, there is one problem. Some machine are only directory C, right? So for that, how to fix this? Only directory C, and they put the name as a space, so they cannot accept. So okay, so I will find solution for that machine. If you have another directory in your machine, please put on that data file to another directory. Let me explain here by practically. Okay. Now this is our your installation file, graph folder. There is a simple data set. Okay, this is our previous data file, right? So I will access this file in here. Sorry. Open. I want to open this one. Okay. When I put in the now I want to open from the C, right? You will get that there is a speed, right? Program file or something. So it cannot accept. That's why for most proper working, you should put in your data set to write it D or E or something you want data the headings. So in my machine, I will show you. Yeah. I had 3 headings. So I put in my data set in E. Then I create a low space in folder name. Low space in folder name. Okay, this is my now I want to SEF open because I didn't open the profile. I want to open directly SEF file. That's why I use this format. Now there is no space, so it will be working. Now got the point, right? Why we choose the directly D or E for the data set. Now I will pause in this time.
To drag and drop the file, you have to open normal mode, not administrative mode. There is a computer again, right? So if you want to drag and drop the file, close the GrADS. Let me explain. In administrative opening window, it cannot allow drag and drop. If you want to drag and drop, you have to block. You can by normal typing is okay. E does something in administrative opening. Yeah. So I will explain that the two mode, you can open in two mode in GrADS. One is an administration mode and one is a normal mode. If you want to drag and drop your file directly to this, you cannot use the administrative mode. It can only work in normal mode. I will explain how is this. So, okay. This is our GrADS. Okay, this is our GrADS. Just directly open by double click. It called the normal mode. Normal mode. Okay. This is normal mode. Then, if you want to open by administrative mode, right click on here, run as administrative. What difference between two? If you are running on administrative mode, you can directly access to the drive C. It can walk in with your data. If your data is the drive C. But normal mode is cannot access the drive C, the error. But in future, you don't need to open the administrative mode because previously I just want to show in different between. You just need to open normal mode because we are using our own data, not the original data, right? So for the future, you can open normal mode. Now, to drag and drop your file, I will open normal mode here. This is normal mode. This is given the error of Windows 10 and 11 only. This error. Okay. So, because most of the machines are now Windows 10 and 11, so you can open normal mode. Then you want to drag and you want to drag and drop your file. But your data directory should be E or D. not in the C. If you are putting your data. Now I will drag and drop. Huh? Just enter, I will working. Okay. Normally you don't need to open administrative because at first I want to show the this pay data is already working directory, how to work with the directory. And in future, then you don't need to specify administrative book. No member can work anything, no problem. Okay, now we will display something in here. Now we finish this one, this format. I already explained this format, this format. Now D, if you want to display something variable in your data set, yes, only D. D called display. So we will display something. First check, what is the variable in your data set? This is inside dot data set. How to check? You still didn't know what is variable name. How to check? How to check the variable? QCTL info. QCTL info. Okay. QCTL info. What are the variable? How many variable in it? 7 variable. Okay. And how many greater than x-axis? 144. It is global. And why is that 7-3? It is also global. 60 north, 60 south. Sorry, 90 north, 90 south, and then 0 to 360. How many particle layers? How many particle? How many particle layers? 2 layers. 2 layers. 850. But in here, this is showing the endowment. 850 minus 350. What is the next? Base layer is 850. The endowment is 350. So what is the next? 500. Yes. Right. And here also endowment. Your GrADS, your data resolution. Now this is there is 144 greater. In this case, 100. And why is it 73? Yeah. 73. What is the 2.5? 2.5 means your data set. 2.5 into 2.5. Each grade has a 2.5. Your result is this 2.5. This is the resolution of the data set. If you want to get the more higher resolution in CDO, you can learn. Okay, now which variable you want to display? You can test anything. Okay. Yeah. So in here, any variable you can be displayed. Now, this is our display window. This is a display window. The command to display is D. So which variable you want to display? Suppose the easy one, A. Okay. D. Now I display in temperature. Now, we didn't get any the setting, that level setting, we didn't do. That's why the default. What is the default? GrADS always take the default of the first year. So this data is showing 850. Time step is a very fast time step. And then we didn't also the setting X and Y dimension that it shows at university. And also display system setting also control. Control is the default of the graph. If you want to shade that, then you have to check another. Everyone follow? This step? Now, we don't want the contour. We don't want the contour. We want to display the shaded file. So for the command is set GAO shaded. Okay. For the, now we are here. We want to clear out width of this previous figure. Just only C. Okay. Only one. Actually, it is, you can type clear, but the C also working. And now it's without. Say that. Now we want to make the not contour plot. Contour plot is therefore is a contour. We want to display the shaded. Shaded means so set GAR shaded. Okay. Then enter to display something. What is a command? D and your variable name. Okay. Variable name is here. You already know. And in here, there is a two kind. What is your variable name? This side. This side name is your variable name, not this side. Because in the streaming data set, you can be seen. These two are not same. This side is showing something. Actually, it is not your variable name. You have to type this side. This I mentioned. This is your real variable name in the data set. Okay. This side. Now, I will also. Okay. Okay. I will. Okay. Now it's clear. Okay. Okay. Now say that the four color is a rainbow. That in advance, when you are getting this visiting, I will teach you how to change the color. Okay. Currently, the four is rainbow. Okay. So for color bar, we have to mention the color bar, right? For to display the color bar is a CBAR. C bar, CBAR bar, C bar, color bar, C bar. There is another comment I will show you. There is another comment. Okay.
C band. If you want to display like this, C band, C B A R N band, C bar plus N only. Okay, C band, C bar and the C band. Okay. Okay, follow. And next command is title. We want to put in the title of the figure. Draw title. Okay. There is no currently. There is no title. We want to put in what is the figure title. Okay. DRAW draw TITLE title. After that two comment, what are your title? Okay. After these two comment, draw title, blah 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 will be your title. Draw title. Now I want to put in my name. Okay. See? Yes. After these two commands, next test will be your title. Okay. Okay. How to say this figure? How to say this figure? You have to say, right? But in Windows there is a mode screen record, right? You can use that snip into. I will show two things. This one you already know, right? Then you just copy in here. Then say anywhere, right? Everyone knows regarding this. So, but we don't want to do this. We will use the command to save your figure, your plot. The command is this one. Print image. IM is mean image. Print image. Print IM. So I will type it. PRINT. Print IM. In here, next step you have to put in your directory where you want to save. Okay. So I will check the directory. I want to save in same folder. So I copy this directory. Okay. This is your directory. Okay. This is your directory. Then you have to give the name of the figure. Slash and your name. Any name you can give. So the figure dot png. Okay. I want to say the PNG type. You can say JPEG also. Yes, no problem. Now it's creating PNG file in this directory already uploaded. You can see this here. my save file in here. Okay, this is our save file in here. Okay. So please write it for the which one is good? Okay, please write it to set the figure. Yes. Yala. Okay.
This one, and what do next?
Oh, because your directory. There is you want to say in here D and what is training. Maybe you can copy this. Control C. Hey. No, you. Okay, you have to type manually. So. And select your name. Okay, any name. G.eng. Maybe JPEG or now it's okay. Okay.
If I want to change the
Okay. You want to clear out, then display again. Okay.
What is this data for? Monthly air temperature? What is this?
This is the value Kelvin. Temperature Kelvin. Yes.
Basically, the color bar has become to have that blue one.
If you want to revise something, you have to replot again. Just see. Then start from first step. Something. Okay.
The intention was to the ship file, and the ship files are already good.
Okay.
The ship files already loaded, or you.
They already know that. Yes.
But what if we want to only work for our country? We have to load that file, shape file.
No need.
It's loaded.
No need. You can adjust. I will show you later.
There is a strange here. We're putting the command, but the
C-bar.
it doesn't appear. Even title you put it doesn't appear.
Restart. 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 Close everything. Then restart.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay. Okay. draw title. Then you have to put in name. This is a command. Draw title is command. You have to give your own name. What is a title? Maybe A, B, C, D. Hey, why not B? Draw error missing character. No. Oh, let me. Yeah, D. Oh, I got it. You are not setting T1. That's why you set T1 or something. Right there. CD. Okay. C. Oh, sorry. Okay. No, you didn't select the time step. Set T1.
I did.
No,
I did.
I'm sure. Enter. Clear.
Check this.
Clear. No, C.
I did it.
No, C. Okay, set T1. Then D something.
I did this one.
No, not less. Only T1.
Okay.
Then D. Why you are setting to time? That's why. You see this command means it open all figure. It cannot understand which figure you want to type it. Now T1, T, A. Then draw. C bar, E, A, R. Okay? Okay, now we will move on the slicing something. Okay, slicing something. For basic display, you already understand how to display and something. So we will go on step by step by each plot type. Okay, time series, vertical profile, shader file, and the multi variable on one display like this. Okay, firstly, we will make a time series. Time series like this. So the command is easy. Firstly, you have to clear out your previous figure. Just clear out. C, okay? C. Then, if you want to plotting on the longitude, you have to longitude in one direction. I will ask. Yeah. There is a 144 x-axis and 73 y-axis. But for the time series, you have to make the 1 point, right? Only 1 point. You can only select this one, or area average or something. Time series means that only the 1 point, right? Not the grid, like one observation station. So that's why we have to make one dimension to one time step only. In here, we make it the latitude in 1 point, only 40-degree latitude, only 1 point. But then we open for the 0 to 180. It means that from the UK to the Pacific Ocean, right? Negative 80 is the Pacific Ocean, right? Am I right? When we are doing this, okay, this is a 0-degree line, Greenwich line, right? Greenwich line. In UK, it's here, UK. And this is our Asia continent. I'm saying this is China, blah, 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 Asia continent. This is a Pacific. In Pacific, there is also 0 line. In GrADS system, it starts from this. This to 360 to this. So in here there is a end of plus 80 and starting of minus 180. This line, this 0 line is end of the plus 180 and the starting of the minus 180. So it's minus 180 means this line. So that means from Greenwich to here. Along the 40-degree latitude, okay? 40-degree latitude in here. It means over the Tibetan plateau. We can say over the Tibetan plateau. Okay, over the Tibetan plateau. Then we want to check the geopotential height of the 500 HPA. That's why we setting the level 500. Then we have to set in the T1. I said time series, but why only T1? Because the time series, but not time. We are series of the longitudinal shifting, longitudinal variable. Okay. So let display first. So see, and set long minus 180 to 0. This is selecting the plan of the longitude. Okay. Set that 40. Then we select the longitude, we select the latitude, and then we setting the level, EV 500. Okay, now level 5. Then setting the time step to 1. So what is our first time step? Let me check. Our first time step is January 1st, 2019. So this command means that we were checking the geopotential height over the longitudinal from Greenwich to the Pacific Ocean on 1st January of 2019. Okay. Then display the geopotential height is what is the geopotential height variable? In here, AGT, okay? But in PPT is actually DZ, but in our data set, what is the data set? Geopotential AGT, right? So our variable name is height, geopotential height, and here. Okay. Level, LEV only, LEV. Elevation, LEV only, but comment is LEV only. Now it shows the variable, you see, it's high and high over here. 180 0 here. Oh, it's showing the westward. You see, not in Tibetan plateau. It's starting from ocean to the North America, right? So it can be revised. Okay. So if for your confusing, I don't want to mention again. Okay. I will explain later. If you want to change the color of this your time series, there is a color code. I will explain later what is a color code. There is a 7 or basic 7 color. Then there is an extra color for there is a code. This is the code name of the file. In the group, I share the book link, grab book link. Did you see or not? The download link for the GrAD. In here, you can check the color code. 0 is a black, 1 is a foreground. It's a white, and the 2 is a red. Now I choose the 5. You see, light blue. These are the color code for your color. Okay, we will do another real-time series. Okay, so we will make the temperature time series for 0 degree longitude and 0 degree latitude in that file. First time step to last time step. Okay, so how to do this? What should I type first? we have to setting, right? According to that, we have to firstly setting the longitude. So set long, according to the question, 0, right? Okay. Set long 0. Okay. Then we have to setting the latitude. Okay. Then what should we do? Hey. Yes, we have to set in the time. Set T1 mean first time step, 2 less. If you didn't know your time step less, how many time step you don't have? Maybe we can check here. How many time step you have? 12. Okay. So 12, you can type 12 if you know. If you didn't know, just less also okay. If you know your last time step, you can type by number 12. If you don't know, just less. Okay? First to less. Now it shows your time step is now 1 to 12. For that, reverse display. What is the temperature variable name? Level, yes. We can set in the level, currently 500, right? We have to check, we will move down to 850 again. So set EV 850. Okay. Then for temperature, what is the variable name? Air, right? Okay, air. This is your temperature. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We can change the font size again. It is a little bit, I will share later regarding this. Currently, just only basis comment. So, okay. Now this is a temperature times 12 times that. You see, it is showing that 292 something. Why? It is a Kelvin, right? We want to display degrees Celsius. How to make? How to make degrees Celsius? How to? Okay. We have to define new variable for degrees Celsius. Suppose that now air, we will change the 10. 10, temperature is equal to minus how much? 27.05. Right? Okay, now it define new data set in your data set. But it is temporary. Your original file is not changed. It's temporary in your machine only. If you close this code, it's gone. Okay? So it is temporary, define the variable. Because we want to show the degree Celsius time series. Okay? So what is the new variable name? What is the new variable name? Temp. Okay. Now you see, is now degree Celsius. And we want to change the red color. What is the red color code? Z, C, color. What is that red color? 3, right? Oh, 3 is green. So, hey. Yes, 2. Oh, okay, 0. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Then we will give the name. Okay. Temperature.
We need to put that that line.
No. This is due to I minimize the window, not like. No need this 9. This, sorry.
Skip this step, okay?
Okay.
So what to write? DT. What is DT? Is this fine?
DT is, no. This is another data set, not same command.
It's not okay.
Temperature is our data set is air. That's why.
So what to, is it wrong?
No, it's not wrong here.
Okay, air.
That's why it's a man. D. Oh. Oh,
Maybe I chose
you
wrong.
didn't say yes.
I chose wrong letter.
Okay.
90 minus 90.
Okay. Okay.
The job title.
Draw title. No. Sorry. This is because I make it the minimizer. It's showing the 9 character there. You no need to just number. I wait. Sorry. Only this comment. This 9 is I just minimize. That's why it's showing. Not the comment. The comment is this one. Okay, so according to the time, I will summarize all the steps from first to the last of the today's session. So you can follow when I'm writing coding, okay? So, okay. 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 Firstly, we have to open data set, right? How to open data set? This one. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Okay. Okay. To open the data set. To open the data set, this is to open the data set. Okay. Now I will open. Okay. Data set is open now. We still didn't know what is a variable and the dimension, detail information. UCTLIN-F4. Okay. When you are typing this one, it will be display all information regarding your file. Okay. From this file, what do you want to do? Now you can start. What do you want to do? Firstly, we will plot the time series first. Okay. No. Time series is need to adjust. So firstly, just normal plotting for shader file. Firstly, the default of the graph is a condo. So we were setting the longitude. For example, we want to make on Africa only. So suppose that what is your Africa? For East Africa. Okay. For East Africa. Okay. Suppose that Asia is easy. I remember. So let's make on Asia. Okay. Okay. Let's make on Asia. Okay. Set long 20, 150. Okay. This is longitude 20 to 150. Then only the northern hemisphere, from equator to northern hemisphere. So set latitude, equator is 0 to day 2, then maybe Tibetan plateau 40. Okay, 40. So in here. Now, what is we need? There is a two level. So we want the 850 geopotential height. Okay, 850. That's why set EV 850. Okay. Now what should we do? Time steps. We have to. Which month? There is a 12 month, January to December. So we will check the. Which one I got? So December. Okay. Set T 12 is a decimal. And here it is says confirmation. Now we are on December. So the temperature is air, right? Okay, air. Now it's showing the contour. Right? This is the default. The variable stay Kelvin. We want to change the degree Celsius. Okay. C TEMP is equal to minus 273.05. Okay. Then we don't okay, let me display this one first. Now it is changing 6 degrees like this. Okay, 50 degrees. Okay. Now set GHR shaded. Okay. DTEMP. Now it is color. For color, how to display? C bar or C band, right? I more prefer C band, but it is nice. Okay. C band. Okay. In here, I would like to introduce another comment. Currently, our background is black color. We don't use the black color to print out, only white color, right? So, how to set in this? Set DISPLAY display. This is a display window, right? That's why display color white. Then enter, but it not appear. Why? Because we are not clear out previous setting. It still need to clear. When you make the clear, it will be changed now. So we will display again this one. Okay. Okay. Now we will go into the time series for that question. To make the time series on this point, we have to setting again long to 0, led to 0. Okay. Set level to 850 or 500 is okay. 850. Okay. Set. Now, time step should be 1st January to less. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. DTEMP. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. You see, now it given the error. Given the error, it only showing the one time step here. One time step value. Why? In here, When we are defining the new variable, we already set in time step to 1. It means it only calculates on one time step. You got my point? Before the defining new variable, we set in everything. It means that these variables are only in this setting, right? So we have to reset setting again. This temperature to temp is equal to air minus 273.05. Okay. Now we can display in here. Okay. March, April, May, June, July, August, December. Okay. We would like to say this temperature time series in our machine. To say print print IN and your directory. So maybe your folder name. If there is no folder, it's okay. I will directly put in figure.png. Okay. So this is the basis flow for time series and the shader file. Okay. So you can practice this basic code. So tomorrow that we will continue the sun advanced setting. Okay. Maybe the how to display this kind of figure like this. Like this. The whole molar diagram, particle wind layer analysis, and the wind display, vector display, and the list. Oh, okay. This is for today exercise, but it's just checking your information. Okay. Sorry? Oh, you want to say?
I want to save it. This.
Oh, to code. Finish. How to say this command window by test file. And GrADS is not available. It is in Linux is available, but I'm not sure. Maybe you can select everything. You can select. Yes, just for example, suppose that this is the last file of your file. You can select and copy and paste in somewhere. Now, when student ask me for how to say the previous command, want to the study again. In Linux, there is a command to directly say your command line, but in GrADS, it's not possible, I think. So, but it is okay. You can copy, you can select all command, then copy and paste somewhere you want to say. It's that's fine, okay? Okay. It's okay. Later, don't worry. Just practice your own. If there is an error, I can replace. Later, in advance of not this week. In last week, I will show the script file. You have to write script file. For the script file, is just only one command. You just need to run your script file. It automatically calculating and displaying everything. Okay. For this time, just practice. what is command exact and what is the meaning of this command. Okay. Okay, then maybe you can plot as an exercise this figure, this time series figure. Okay.
One of them can come to the stage and like do it.
Okay, practice. Who want to volunteer to display this one? Only 5 minutes. It's okay. Who want to volunteer? Yeah. Jonah. No, it's okay. You want to do? Okay. Okay. Firstly, for encourage, applause, please. This question, time series. Xin về ra là. Okay, we know. Long. Time series. You have to choose 1 point. Okay. 180, 40 is okay. Not time series. It should be 1 to less. Okay. It's okay. Thank you.